Hello guys, now we will watch new episode of The Loathe. Season 6 episode 28 we will watch it called The Loathe. Here we go. Royalwood Cemetery.
Meeting of the Morticians Club to order.
This better be important. We're so not morning people.
Agreed.
He said.
I assure you it's urgent. Last night, this flew into my bedroom. Shall we call animal control? No, it delivered a message. Dearest friends, it is I, Bertrand. I need you to rescue me at once. It's even written in fake blood. See? Our former president.
But how can we rescue him? Isn't he stuck at sea on that horribly cheerful cruise ship with his parents?
Bertrand said the boat will be docked on Lake Eddy for 24 hours, while they stock up on more peony shrimp. Then it's back out to the sea for another year. Now's our only chance.
What?
Let's go save Bertrand.
Lake Eddy.
Have a great time.
That's Kim, Bertrand's mom, head of security and conga line leader. The only way on this boat is through her, with a ticket.
Where are we going to get tickets?
Yes, Boris forgot his wallet in his coffin.
6 tickets. Let's go.
Oh, goody. Boris gets to conga.
Greetings, Bertrand's mom. We're here to visit our friend, Bertrand.
Great! I'll take your tickets then!
6 to board.
Woo! You kids have a blast!
Where is he? I don't see him.
My angels of death! It's me!
Gasp! Bertrand, we didn't recognize you. Yeah, you look different.
And you
What
have
happened
a
to you?
suntan.
There's no time to dwell on my unfortunate new appearance. We must get to work. To my quarters! Thank you for coming. It wasn't a moment too soon. This ship is torturous. Disco bingo, toga nights, and the karaoke. Oh, the karaoke!
Apologies, but I have to ask, why don't you tell your parents you're miserable? Won't they help?
Oh, dear Lucy, I have often tried to talk to my parents, but they never understand. Trust me, it'll be easier if I just slip away. I can find a nice tomb at the Royalwood Cemetery to reside in.
But won't they notice you're gone?
Eventually. But I'll just send a pelican explaining everything, and surely they will get over it. So, what's the plan? We must think of something clever. With my mother guarding it, we can't just walk off the ramp.
Right. That wasn't our plan at all.
Wait, I have an idea. We won't be walking you off the boat.
Yeah, you will be fly, huh?
Friends, are we quite sure this will work? Pelicans are a fickle bird with an independent streak.
Don't worry. She'll fly you safely to shore. Unless she... sees a fish.
I am so proud of you, son. Trying out new activities for the guests? What? We are adding pelican rides to the cruise itinerary ASAP.
I was trying to save my soul. I couldn't stand to be on board any longer.
I know. Sometimes I just have to jump in, too. The ocean just calls to you.
Okay, we need a new escape plan.
So tragic. Shuffleboard game gone way wrong.
Bertrand, you okay in there?
Quite. I've never been so comfortable if I'm being truthful.
We'll have you off the boat in a minute.
No way.
Way to go, B-Train! Practicing for the water treading contest. Okay, come on. It's almost time for bracelet weaving.
This sunscreen will make you nice and greasy, so when you go down the slide, you will be propelled to freedom.
Oh dear. Are you sure this is safe?
It says PF 1001.
No, I mean the...
Keep straight and the speed should take you right across to shore.
Believe in yourself.
Go.
I'm gonna make it!
No, you don't.
Hades' handbag. He just landed on a dolphin.
At least he looks friendly.
Hey, B-Train!
Okay, Brad is officially too much.
You're getting into dolphin riding too, son? You just keep on surprising me. But we gotta get you back for the belly flop competition.
I shan't live through another belly flop competition.
Sorry, Bertrand, but your parents are making it really hard to sneak you off this ship.
And it's already dusk. Soon it'll be morning, and the ship will depart. Perhaps it's a lost cause.
Does this mean Boris's Congo line lesson is cancelled?
Wait! I have a
What?
new idea. If we cannot sneak off the ship, perhaps we can get the cruise cancelled. And we'll do it with our best talent, scaring others. We'll haunt every inch of this vessel. By morning, guests will be jumping off the sides to get away. Now who's with me, huh?
They like it. OMG!
Just saw a ghost. Run! Big crab
All these romance vibes got me like, whoa. So there's something I gotta ask you. Will you?
Marry me?
I am the ghost of Lake Eddie. I'm so sick of all the noise. The Congo music is driving me mad. Take your foghorn and toot off. What a fiendishly fantastic performance!
I gotta admit, that was some of our best haunting work ever. Dante made a former Marine cry.
I owe you all a great debt. Look, the sun rises. We were so busy we must have worked all night. Come, by now I'm sure Captain Troy has canceled the cruise.
I don't think so.
What's everyone still doing here?
And eating breakfast like nothing happened. Great deviled eggs.
Oh, hey! You're those actors from last night. You were absolutely terrifying. Where did you study theater?
I beg your pardon?
Last night, your performance at that scary-themed whatever it was. We just had a ball. Oh, I hope you're planning on doing that again.
So glad you enjoyed yourself.
What in the great beyond? Are you kidding me?
Sweetie, have you heard?
No, they don't.
Love last night's activity you and your friends put together. Great idea. Things have been going so well lately. Dad and I think we should sign up for a 2-year extension.
Croatia, here we come.
Oh, my underworld, we just doubled the sentence.
Anyway, it was so nice of you guys to come say hi to the B-Train. Help yourselves to the Sunday bar on your way out. It is all you can eat.
We're so sorry, Bertrand.
The fault is not yours to bear. Thank you for trying to save me. Now go. Flee while you still can.
No, wait. This wasn't an activity we were doing last night. We were trying to get the cruise canceled. The truth is, we just wanted Bertrand to stay with us, where he'll be happy.
Wait, is this true? Bertrand, you aren't happy?
Oh no, Bertrand.
B-Train, we're so sorry. We had no idea.
Yeah, when you said you were dying inside? We thought you meant that was a good thing.
I understand your confusion. We are a deeply complex bunch.
Yeah, that's fair.
Well, listen, you definitely don't have to come to Croatia. Hey, maybe you can live with your Aunt Madeline in Royal Woods, you know, until the cruise is over.
I have an Aunt Madeline.
Oh, yeah, see, we never told you about her because she's a super positive life coach.
But she does raise snakes.
Life coach?
Work with
I want to see her.
Thank you, Mother and Father. How about one last conga line to celebrate?
You betcha, buddy.
Let's do it.
Oh, Boris finally gets to conga.
That's it, boys. It's really cool episode we watch. Don't forget to comment.